JPP was kind enough to send me some of their 12-inch MDF rounds for sublimation. Now you can use infusible ink on these. I am using sublimation ink, but I am using Designspace images on my design. So you can use your sublimation printer, use your Designspace images. You can come up with your own sublimation images and use sublimation ink, or you can cut your images from infusible ink or use infusible ink pens on these. Now they do have a protective coating, and you will want to peel this off prior to putting your design down. So I'm gonna go and peel this off because I can't do it one-handed. It's pretty tough to get off. I'm gonna peel this off, and then I am going to place my design onto the round, and we're gonna press it with our Easy Press. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have the coating off, and I have placed a piece of the tape at the center of my design, or close to the center of my design, and just to kind of help me line up and get this where I want it on my board. And because I did Designspace images, I printed it to my Sawgrass printer from Designspace, and then I just trimmed off my black box. And then because it was larger than the print area, I have taped the two images together. I'm just gonna line these up, and then I'm going to place my butcher paper on the top and get my Easy Press and get that heated up. Okay, so now I have my image, and I am just going to be placing my butcher paper on the top. This is supposed to be pressed at 400, from 390 to 400 for 50 to 60 seconds per JPP. And so I am going to be pressing that. That's what I have on my press here. And we are going to begin pressing. I am going to stop the camera while I do that so that I can put my pressure on there. So let's get this pressed and come back and do the reveal. Okay, and there we are. Now this is still warm. I did warm peel. I don't suggest that because you could get some ghosting, but I had no problem with mine. And you can see here's the muted colors and how vibrant that they become on these boards. And it was so super simple and easy to do. Now I did have a little chip at the top of this board. I'm not going to worry about it. I am going to be placing a bow at the top and some greenery. So I am going to attach that probably with hot glue. If I don't use hot glue, I will let you know what I use, and I'll come back and show you the photos of the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you go and get these. They come in a pack of 3. They are $6.75 each, guys, but these things are awesome. And you can do lots and lots of stuff with those. Can't wait to see your projects. Happy crafting.